Hello, everyone. This is Kimberly Miller, your holistic health expert and owner of Healing with Excellence. This is part of my education series where I highlight one of my workshops or certifications so that you can determine which educational program is right for you. Today, I'm going to highlight Take Control of Your Health. This is a mini version of my cellular regeneration training. It is actually 3 hours, and I have recorded two different 3 hour sessions. So you actually get the access to 6 hours of education for the cost of one. But what this does is you get to go through a mini review of your cellular stress and you walk through how to start removing specific cellular stressors that can help your body heal much more effectively and rapidly. It's actually to help heal your metabolic function. So whether you're looking for fat loss, pain relief, energy increase, libido increase, just better vitality overall, or even like sustainability, it is excellent for athletes that are attempting to sustain themselves on the field, on the court, dancing, wherever it is that you're performing. This Take Control of Your Health is an excellent presentation and one of the quickest, easiest ways for you to get authentic information on how you can own how you treat your body and to identify the areas that nobody's been telling you is impacting you. And the way I developed this course is when I was 19, 20 years of age, I was dealing with chronic IBS, infertility, menstrual cycle issues that my physicians kept telling me it's stress, it's stress, it's stress. Well, at 19, 20, I didn't feel that stressed. I was going to school, I was working, I was exercising, and I didn't understand like if that's just the way we're supposed to live, how am I stressed? I also was used to taking on a lot, so it was just my norm. I didn't understand it wasn't perceived stress that was impacting me. It was cellular stress. Things that I might have been okay with that I was doing, like with my diet, my exercise program, my studying, that my body did not like. So someone might tell you it's stress, and you might think you just have to live with it because you don't know how to change your current lifestyle to eliminate whatever these mysterious stressors are. And so then you feel like you just have to deal with these symptoms for the rest of your life and there's no answer. But that's not true. This course is going to help you identify cellular stressors that you didn't know has been robbing your energy, impeding your health process and your healing process, and impacting proper organ function. As you identify where these cellular stressors are, you can take the ownership to decide which two or three that you can change so that your body can be and maintain homeostasis, where all your organs are functioning at optimal level and your symptoms go away. I want you to be able to enjoy what I have been able to enjoy, and I want you to be able to be free like thousands of my clients that I've been able to help through this process. Thank you so much. Click on the links below either to register or post comments below. Ask questions. I am here to help you succeed. Thank you so much and have a beautiful day.